what would you say is the most important step for them to ensure that they're going to be able to meet those tech needs or have consistent growth in terms of development?
What can startups do to ensure their growth and development? If I heard you correctly.
Yes, especially when it comes to technology.
I think it's a twofold solution, if I can say so. There isn't a relay solution, but at least a twofold approach that can maximize their chances of success. And this addresses the very basic needs. It's the client and the product. And if you focus on those, you can't go wrong. Mm-hmm. When it comes to clients, we would encourage the startups to start developing those relationships from the word go, even before your product is ready. Don't wait for the magic moment when all things are good and you are ready to go. Start early, start building those human contacts, and be quite honest, hey guys, we're not quite there yet, but we would like you to be aware of us. And if you don't mind, we'll keep you updated with our progress in development. Great. That works like a magic. About too few startups utilize that. Too many founders are waiting just for the right moment to then, explode into the market, and then there is a cold shower waiting for them there.
Yeah,
well, that's something easy and something that can be done. When it comes to technology, this is the core, and we see a lot of startups. I don't want to throw too much at them. It's understandable. They get fixated on one thing. It can be often it's fundraising or solving a particularly difficult issue that can be, it can be a team issue or whatever. It all comes down to product and the underpinning technology, underpinning tech. In the ideal scenario, you should have your co-founders that are, they have tech background, they have the relevant skills, the relevant knowledge, and they're pouring their heart and soul into your product day in, day out. And this is it. There is no magic. You need to be ready to scale things up. And this is what we see quite often where startups, they stumble, is when the product finds the initial success. They're not ready to scale things up. They're not ready to move forward. And this leads to, we've done all the hard work. We have the clients who are interested in what we are doing, but they actually require some sort of additional tech support, and we don't have the right people. And then this becomes, the race for recruitment. And we see so many times, the startups feverishly advertising, we need some people urgently to join our team yesterday. This is not super effective either. So they need to be a roadmap. As it's tricky, but for your product development and where you go when your product finds success. And if it's the team expansion, start planning it ahead. It's pretty damn difficult to find the right people. Yeah. If you're planning to work with external partners, great. Start building those relationships just with your customers. Start building them early. Find the guys that aligned with you, not only skills-wise, but philosophy-wise. I can't put it. It sounds a little bit esoteric, but I can't put it any better than that. So you have that support when the time comes. So I think if a startup focuses on those two things, it's going to be in a good place.